It's pretty cool that the trio, Liza, Smoke, and Cheetah, they just put themselves to bed at night. You're good girls, huh? You're kind of fighting over who got the best spot on the roost, but they seem to have worked it out. Good girls. Good girls. Now the juveniles, on the other hand, they don't want to go in yet. They say it's too nice out. They got no sense. I really like this bird. Not sure what breed it is, but pretty sure it's a rooster. I hope not, but I kind of think it is. And then we got Cheetah, Cheetah Jr., Smoke Jr., and we got Liza Jr., and another Smoke Jr. We got 3 of this breed. They're pretty nice birds. And we only got one that's all black. There it goes. She's camera shy. And I think that one's maybe a girl. We'll find out pretty soon. They're about 6 weeks old now. Quite a bit of difference in size. Those two are the same age. They do not look like it. So, that's how the birds are doing. Say goodnight. Say goodnight, Liza. We'll see you tomorrow. Good girl.